We was trying to head into Portsmouth, but it's absolutely chaos. And it's just not for Vanlife today, it's not for us. So we're gonna now make our way, like we say, we never stick to plans, but I think we're making our way now to Highcliffe. We'll take you along on our travels.
Wow, we're in the New Forest.
Again.
Not Portsmouth, the New Forest.
As I said, never believe us where we're going.
So this could take Nelson for a walk. He's been ever so good.
Let's go this way.
Yeah, lovely. Look where we are. There's be loads of wild horses around this area. And there's the Vanlife. And there's the sunshine. Yes.
You got sand now instead of shingle.
Mad, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so I was, when I was really young, my parents come caravanning and camping in the New Forest. And now they live down there. They left me in Oxfordshire as a child. They're buggers. There's a spa in the distance. I'll have to zoom in on that one. And she walks off.
Toilet there.
Pardon?
You can't go to toilet there. Do not do your download.
Oh, that was good. I downloaded in one go. Shame the upload speeds weren't as good.
And there was no AI.
There's no AI in this field. Right, that was a New Forest. Hope you enjoyed that. It's just amazing, isn't it? I mean, rather than going to the beach, look, you just come down here.
Yeah.
No sharks. Hit me many, many a times. And then I married her, and then she beat me even more.
Come on then, hit the button. So we just took Nelson for a walk in the New Forest, and now we're heading for New Milton. We've wild camped.
No, we're going to Barton-on-Sea.
No, we're not going to New Milton. What the bloody hell am I talking about?
What are you on about?
I don't know.
Because that's what I ain't putting the sat nav, but I'll tell you that now.
We're going to Barton-on-Sea. We're going to try and wild camp there, and I've got a craving for fish and chips, so...
You're not cooking again?
Oh, I don't know what's happened. I want fish and chips, dirty fish and chips.
We got the munchies, we're starving.
We are hungry.
And it's the sunshine, it's drained us of energy.
Yeah, so I'm going to try and find a fish and chip shop.
Just to let you know, we showed you that little bit in the New Forest. We sat in the back, put the telly on, we both fell asleep. So we've got up, we're hungry, we're Hank Marvin, we're off to Barton-on-Sea.
But it did actually start to rain, and we'd got all our skylight open and everything, so I quickly, that's sort of what woke us up. So I pulled all the roof down and everything. Then it's like, God, do you know what, if we don't move now, we're going to stay in the New Forest, and you can't wild camp in the New Forest. It says you must leave by dusk.
Yeah, and as much as it's nice having a bed in the back of your bus, it ain't good. You sleep too much. Right,
we'll
see you in Barton.
Bye.
I've never seen it before. Never seen that like that before.
Beautiful, isn't it? That'd be good. Oh, isn't it? Oh. Lovely, isn't it? Yeah. And there might be fish and chips here.
Well, we've made it, Barton-on-Sea. The wife's just gone and got fish and chips. That's our view. Hopefully take the drone up later, or maybe tomorrow. It's a bit bloody windy. It's gone a bit chippy as well. Yeah, lovely. I'm loving this. Absolutely loving it. Well, good morning to you. Let me show you our little Parkup, look. And there she is. Not the best night's sleep, I've got to admit. We're slightly on the wonk, so yeah, we can definitely improve on that. We've had a little chat this morning thinking maybe we're going to get some self-levelling. Morning. Great, so what I'm going to try and do is get the drone up this morning and say, what are you doing? Yeah, so we're in Barton-on-Sea then. My parents live in Highcliffe, so we're just down the road from them. We could have stayed on their drive, to be fair, but we like the wild thing. Sun's trying to break through, but looks like it's going to be a bit of a rainy day. Looks like Isle of Wight's got rain over there. You could just about make out the needles. Oh, we're right on the cliff edge, look. Let me see if I can show you. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Right. Don't know how I'm going to get the drone out or where we're going to take it from. See if we can do it from over here. I dare say this path will be gone soon. Yeah, don't we know it? Right. See what we can do. And the wife's just getting ready right now. Lovely.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away.
Yeah, so just successfully took the drone out. I've put that up just now. Yeah, it's a bit windy, it's a bit overcast. I think we've lost the sunshine, we're not playing no more. So today we're going to see my parents in Highcliffe and going to have some breakfast with them. Yeah, loving life. So we're in Dorset. Been in Hampshire, now we're in Dorset. So we've done 2 counties. Like Aldborough, we'd love to go back to Aldborough in Suffolk, but we've done it. It's a bit annoying really, but there's loads of glorious places to find on the UK mainland anyway. So look at this. Look who's come to join me. It's the little man. Don't stand on that, you is. Good man.
Morning.
Morning, wife. You all right?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
Good, good, good. Yep. Oh, rather pretty. No, not again.
Morning.
Morning, all right. So it's 7 o'clock in the morning, and I tell you what, that sun is trying to break out. Not so lucky, like I said earlier, if you're in the Isle of Wight, but yeah, the sun is definitely trying to pierce those clouds at the moment. So
tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Good morning, we're at Mudeford Quay. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Let me show you this beautiful place. $10 and this will be heaving here because little kids go crabbing, and I'll take you down where they go crabbing with the old crab pots. So you've got Highcliffe Sailing Club here. We've had some food and drinks at Haven House Inn before, and it's beautiful food and drinks. You can sit outside, watch the sun go down, it's beautiful. So this is where you'll get your crabbing nets for your children to take them crabbing. Little gift shop. Oh, that's like our Brighton hanging sign, so I might get the Mudeford Quay one. There's the Haven Cafe.
Don't know